So in this question, we're told that there are 16 hockey teams in the league and that each team played 2 matches against each of the other teams. We're asked to work out the total number of matches played. Now, in this question, we can look at the number of hockey teams. So we have 16 hockey teams in a league. And if each hockey team were to play every other team once, it would play 15 matches because it can't play against itself. So there's 15 other matches, 15 other teams it could play against. However, we're told that each team played 2 matches against each of the other teams. So A would play against B, for example, twice. However, what we need to be careful of here is that A playing against B is the same thing as B playing against A. So although each team is playing 2 matches against each of the other teams, these are all going to be counted twice because A playing B is the same as B playing A. So it's counted when looking at the teams that A is playing and when looking at the teams when B is playing. So we're actually going to need to half the number that we think it's going to be, basically. So if we have 16 hockey teams in a league and they're each playing 2 matches against each of the other teams, then that would kind of look like we're going to have 16 hockey teams playing 15 other teams twice. However, we then need to divide this value by 2 because A playing B is the same as B playing A, so we're going to have double the amount of outcomes that we actually need. So in order to get the actual answer to this question, we simply need to do 16 multiplied by 15. And that gives us an answer of 240. So we don't need to multiply by that 2 because each team playing 2 matches against each of the other teams could kind of be simplified as saying one of those matches is shown by A playing B and one of them is shown by B playing A. Although they're the same thing, we can just speak about them the other way round to kind of differentiate between them. And that means that each team is playing 15 separate matches against other teams and there's no overlap within that. So it is 16 times 15. So the correct final answer is 240 and we're going to get a mark for that and then a mark for the process. So for using the 16 multiplied by 15 to get the 240, it gives us that second mark here.